Packing necklaces for travel can be a daunting task, but there are simple methods to keep them organized and tangle-free. Start by laying out a large piece of plastic wrap on a flat surface, leaving about 2 inches between each necklace to prevent them from getting knotted. If you have more than 6 necklaces, consider using 2 sheets of plastic wrap for easier handling. Sandwich the necklaces between the layers, pressing firmly to secure them. Then roll up the wrapped bundle for easy packing. Alternatively, you can use plastic straws for each necklace by threading the chain through the straw to keep them straight and untangled. For chunkier pieces, a toilet paper roll works well. To protect your jewelry during transit, place strung necklaces into a Ziploc bag or a toothbrush holder. It's advisable to leave high-value items at home and opt for more versatile, less sentimental pieces while traveling. Lastly, make a list of the necklaces you packed, keeping a copy with you and another at home for easy tracking.